When it comes to maintaining our yards, the amount of equipment we hold can be never ending. From lawnmowers, hedge trimmers, blowers, trimmers, the list goes on, and it can take up a lot of space in our houses. That is why I love multi-tool trimmer combos. I've always loved them, and I've had a number of different brands of them. And today we're going to be looking at Rover's Trimmer Plus R2600. The combo that I have includes the hedger and blower attachments, and this combo costs $479 Australian for the three. So let's take a look at it. The unit comes with a 2-year domestic warranty or a 90-day commercial warranty depending on the application of use. This unit comes with a 25cc 2-stroke engine. It takes fuel at a ratio of 40:1. It includes Rover's spring assist technology, which helps with starting the motor. I found it to be quite an easy unit to start, especially when you follow the instructions that are noted on the side of the machine. Even straight out of the box, had no issue starting it, which is a good bonus too. And when running and warm, if you hit stop to change the attachments and then pull the cord again, you'll find you won't have any issue starting it as well. It usually only took me 1 or 2 pulls. The unit also has a bump head, which is an added bonus. Also the trimmer head, it's made in a way that is easy to change out the trimmer line. Similar to some other units where you're able to cut a couple of pieces of trimmer line out, poke it in, wrap it around, and then pull to secure the trimmer line. And the Trimmer Plus lineup comes with a number of different attachments, from edges to cultivators, hedge trimmers, just like all the other brands. So that's another good feature of getting something like this. Having multiple different types of equipment can very quickly consume all the space in your storage, but a multi-tool combo allows you to use less space, needing only one motor between them. As for the weight of the unit, it is quite light in comparison to some of the other brands, which is good for maneuverability. One thing I like with the hedger, it's an articulating hedger attachment, which is great for when you want to trim the tops of hedges, maybe some of those awkward angles that you want to trim. I put it through a number of different scenarios, from cutting general lawn to slashing taller weeds and grass, to see how it goes in a number of different scenarios, and it stood up to the task. Didn't really bog down too much, got through the job fine, so that's another plus for the power side of things. After using it for quite a lot of time, it seemed to not really chew through the fuel that much. So the fuel consumption is quite good as well in comparison to some of the other units. From a build quality standpoint, the unit is mostly plastic and metal. I like the amount of thought that's gone into the design of the unit. The caps on all the shafts are an absolutely awesome addition. If you've ever used any of the other multi-tools brands, do not put enough time and effort into designing even things like the caps. On my other multi-tool units, I end up losing all the caps, and then it ends up getting dirt and dust and everything on the end of all the shafts. So Rover have done a really good job in making a clip-on cap. Changing the attachments is super easy. I didn't want to do multiple takes just to show you how it is in the real life, but as you can see, it's easy to change over the attachments, so that's another bonus for usability. This was also the first time I used a multi-tool blower. It blew grass, it blew different bits of debris from the paths and paving, so using it as a blower is completely fine as well. Who do I recommend this unit for? Most people can use it for general purpose residential maintenance. It will save you a lot of space and time when it comes to maintaining your yard. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, leave us a like, and as always, subscribe to the channel for more videos all about lawn care. My name is Hayden, and I shall catch you in the next one.